Welcome to Moldova, a small country in Eastern Europe, often described as a hidden gem. Despite its size, Moldova is rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Did you know that Moldova is one of the least visited countries in Europe? This makes it a perfect destination for those looking to explore off the beaten path. Let's dive into what makes Moldova special. First, let's talk about the capital city, Chisinau. This vibrant city is known for its Soviet-style architecture, beautiful parks, and bustling markets. A must-see is the Central Market, where you can find everything from fresh produce to local crafts. Moldova is famous for its wine. In fact, the country has one of the largest wine cellars in the world. The Milesti Misi cellar stretches for over 200 kilometers underground. Wine enthusiasts will also love the Craicovo winery, known for its sparkling wines and vast underground labyrinth. The country is also rich in history. Visit the Orhyle Veshi, an archaeological complex with ancient monasteries carved into limestone cliffs. It offers a stunning view of the Rot River and gives a glimpse into the life of ancient civilizations. Moldova's countryside is dotted with picturesque villages where traditions are still very much alive. Here, you can experience traditional Moldovan hospitality, taste homemade dishes like mamalaga, and see folk dances and music performances. One fun fact, Moldova has a village named Balti, often called the Paris of Moldova, for its charming streets and cultural vibe. Another interesting tidbit, Moldova declared independence from the Soviet Union in 1991, and since then, it has been building its identity as a proud, independent nation. Despite its challenges, Moldova is full of friendly people, beautiful landscapes, and a unique charm that captivates those who visit. So next time you're looking for a new travel adventure, consider Moldova. You might just fall in love with this hidden gem. Thanks for watching and learning about Moldova. We hope you enjoyed this journey through this fascinating country. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.